The lecturer said, "It appears to me that at the present time many of the changes taking place all over the world are the outcome of inviolable laws working for the progress of mankind. As a rule, man is apt to overlook the silent working of the laws of the universe, in reference to which he appears, as a matter of fact, very little concerned, or his interest lasts but for a moment, when some striking incident compels his attention. Generally speaking, he takes things as a matter of course and as a necessary consequence of this attitude. At the present day, the beauties of nature are a closed book to a vast majority of the inhabitants of the globe. I will consider the matter and deal with the subject as briefly as possible. In the first place, it seems to me that in relation to the authorship, there is no ground for supposing it to be doubtful. In the second place, the statements in the book are supported by contemporary accounts. In the third place, all the other known works of the author are of unimpeachable accuracy. Therefore, from first to last, I think the criticisms are entirely out of place, and I cannot understand what is the matter with the reviewer that he should make such a violent attack, on the one hand, upon the probity of our author, and on the other, upon the accuracy of his statements. Para change. From the first time in the history of the company, said the speaker, we have to report an adverse balance. In the first instance, we have had a serious strike at the works, but you will be glad to know that all disputes have been amicably settled. In the next place, we have had some very heavy law expenses with reference to our existing patents, and with reference to which a statement appears in the report. In the last place, our annual turnover has not been up to expectations, though by the way it slightly exceeds the figures of the last year. You will be glad to hear that our new manager has introduced several excellent reforms which will bear fruit in the near future. It would be out of place for me, in the short space of time, at my disposal to try to go fully into the details of the accounts. Moreover, we expect to receive very shortly a further report from the auditors having regard to the present state of affairs, and in consequence of certain criticisms, we think it best under the circumstances to have an independent investigation, and the auditors have been asked to give a frank expression of opinion in reference to the affairs of the company. The position is a difficult one. On the one hand, we are told that as a matter of course, the business ought to be prosperous, yet as a matter of fact, the contrary is the case. What is the matter? We hope to hear from the auditors who are looking into the matter and who are expected to report in a few days.